Hello everyone! So I'm going to go ahead and take my glasses off because there is a glare on them and I'm sure that bothers you guys just as much as it bothers me. I'm looking a hot mess today. I just helped my grandma. I work for her and I stayed a bit longer than expected and had to help her with a few things since she recently, her health hasn't been the greatest. But she's doing a lot better. So I'm thankful that I'm able to help her as much as I get to. Anyway, I just went to Dutch Bros and got myself a lemonade. My nails look terrible. But this is a blue raspberry lemonade. They're so inexpensive and they're delish. Dutch Bros is, I was going to say slowly, but fastly becoming one of my favorites. I only go like twice a month, but that might possibly change. Anyway, as you saw by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in the BoxyLuxe for December. I'm so excited. So yes, you guys have seen me do some BoxyLuxe BoxyCharm unboxings before, and I've only done one BoxyLuxe box, I think, but that was a while ago. So I decided to sign up for it again because this month's box just looked amazing. So if you're interested to see what's in this box, then just keep watching. Okay, like I said, I still need a shower and all that. Didn't feel like putting makeup on today, but there's a buttload of makeup in here. I'll be doing a separate video on using some of these products if you guys are curious about it. So let's open this up. So BoxyLuxe, if you guys did not know, they ship it. It's kind of like FabFitFun. So you get it every like few months or every season. And you pay the original price for BoxyCharm, which is $25. And then you pay another $25 on top of that. So this says BoxyCharm Whimsy, I'm pretty sure. And then it shows all of the products on the back, which I'll look at once I pull everything out. Okay, and I did want to share, I got this for free for signing back up. So I'm so excited. This is a Natasha Denona Glow Body Glow Illuminator, and I haven't opened this up yet. We're going to take off my sweater because I do want to test out like how this looks on shake before use. Let's see what this says. It really doesn't say. It's a body glow pretty much, so it doesn't say any directions or anything for it, so let's just try it out. Ooh, I'm going to put some on my it's kind of like hard to see. That's really pretty. If you want just like a glow to your body. I like that. That's really pretty. I've been kind of into stuff like this lately, like adding a little bit of glow to the shoulders and stuff. You guys can kind of see that. It's really pretty, especially if I wear a tank top, which I wear tank tops all the time. Alright, the next product is this. Oh, I didn't know this was going to be in here. This is exciting, and I love dry shampoo. So this is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Deep cleansing level, detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. Okay, I am very excited to try this out. I would try it out right now, but I do have like freshly washed hair, so I don't need this, but I'm kind of curious how it smells. So let's smell it. Ooh. Okay. I like the smell of that. And this is a big bottle. Like that is like the biggest dry shampoo that I've ever had, and this is going to last a while. So next year, starting next year, guys, I'm going to be doing like monthly favorites and stuff, so you might see this in there. But anyway, okay, next up is Oh, I'm excited about this. This is a rich, okay, so that dry shampoo, let's just say the dry shampoo is $27 for that. That's awesome. Okay, and then we have this right here. This is the Ritual of Sakura, celebrating each day as a new beginning. This is a sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk and cherry blossom. Oh my gosh. I'm about to take a shower, so I'm just going to squirt a little bit of this on my hand. Oh god. Well, it's a shower gel and then it puffs up into a foam. Oh my god. Whew. Okay. I just made a huge mess. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Okay, I'm wiping it on my pants. That smells so freaking good. Okay, let's see what the price of this would be. $9.50. Not too bad. Give your skin the gift of a new beginning with the foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. Wow. That smells really good. I'm excited to use that in the shower for sure. Okay. Next, I'm going to pull out this makeup related thing right here. This is the Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Pretty Penny. And this right here is the original $21. Sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this highlight shine gloss that brings dimension to lip brings. I cannot read without my glasses, guys. Dimension to my lips with an innovative cushioning and comfortable texture, enriched with natural oils. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, wow, that is gorgeous. We're gonna try some on my lips right now. Dang. What does it say it has in it? Natural oils. So this feels so hydrating already by putting this on. It's got that kind of gold shimmer to it. I'll give you guys a swatch on my arm of this, but this packaging is absolutely adorable. I love it. I don't have any of the Too Faced glosses and I've been wanting to try them. If you guys did not know, I love lip glosses. So there's that. You can already tell a difference, like it's just making my lips look a little more put together. You know what I mean? Okay, next up is this Kat Von D Dagger Tattooed Liner. Now I'm pretty sure this is one, like the tattoo liner that I've already tried. Oh wait. No, it's not. Okay, I'm excited for this. This packaging is adorable, first off. I've used her liner before, the one that like everyone's obsessed with, and I wasn't that big of a fan of it at all. So I'm excited to try that one out. Because if you guys did not know, lip gloss, mascara, and liquid liner are like my 3 must-haves. Love it. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and reach into the box and grab this adorable eyeshadow palette. Oh, yes. I think this is the one that I actually wanted because I know there's a few that you could get. But super, super cute. This is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. I didn't say how much that ink liner was. It is $20. This is the Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. There were 3 sisters who never stopped believing in fairy tales, and they all lived happily ever after. So cute. Okay, so opening up the palette, it has this really big mirror here, which is nice. It says, life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, and that mirror is huge. Like, you could fit your full face in doing that, and it's a really good mirror. That is adorable. These shadows look very, very pretty. I'll do swatches for you guys. I do want to swatch this. Ooh, look at that silver. and this red one. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just going to swatch these, but you guys will see, oh my gosh. You guys will see in a clip, I'll turn my phone around so you can see better. All of them swatched though, but already super pigmented. Very pretty. So excited to have this cute little book in my collection. I love it. Love all the colors in here. Alright, next up is the, sorry, the top of this looks a little bit like dirty. This is the QMS Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. Now, I don't ever get like smile lines or anything like that. So, oh cool, this packaging is really cute. So this is definitely something that I am going to like sell. There's always something in the box that I'm not like, oh, too excited about. Yeah, okay, yes. This is one thing that I'm actually very excited about because I love Ciate London. This is the Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. And gosh, their packaging is very cute. If I can figure out how to open this. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is in the shade Dusk, and I can already tell this is going to be probably one of my favorite blushes. So this lip gloss has a very, like, I don't know, the smell of it, I don't know how to explain it. And if I do rub my lips together, I can feel the sparkles in it. But I like so far how hydrating it feels. So I think I can get past the smell. I think I'll use this for a little bit and kind of see how I like it. But anyway, this blush is beautiful. I knew I was going to love it. Whoops. So the blush is $26. So that's why I love getting subscription boxes, because like Ipsy and BoxyCharm have the Ciate London brand in their boxes and bags, and because I just don't think that I would spend that much money on it if it wasn't in here. Okay, so the next one is Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Let's smell this. Gosh, this packaging is just so cute. Ooh. Okay. It doesn't have like a crazy good smell, but it is kind of like a gel-like consistency, which I absolutely love. For some reason with me, I feel like those are the ones that actually like really hydrate my skin the best. So I'm very excited about this. This one is $39, an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of fermentants, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. So excited for that one. And then we have one more in here. This right here is the Fresh, which I already know is a great brand. This is the Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. Gosh, see, I love that. I have not bought, guys, gosh, this thing is huge. Yeah, this is massive. I have not bought any face wash or anything like that in over a year because I get them in my subscription boxes. And I get good ones. Usually with BoxyCharm, I've gotten it 2 times. I've gotten the, what's that brand? That's very pricey. I can't think of it. I always want to get, oh, Glam Glow. Their face wash, and it's for like makeup removal, and I absolutely love it. And I've gotten it 2 times, and that's like, I think they're expensive. I can't think on the top of my head how much it is, but yeah, it's nice to have that. So this right here originally is $48. So the price of the box is just this right here. And I got all that other stuff with it. So I definitely think BoxyLuxe is totally worth it. If you guys are asking for my opinion on that, I totally think it's worth it. So this gel cleanser is for all skin types, has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying your soft, supple skin. And yeah, like I said, it is $48. So that is just awesome. And I'm very excited to try this out. I'm wondering how it smells. I have so many smells going on right now. Oh, it's got a lid on it. Okay. It definitely smells like it's like a, sorry, like an all natural kind of smell, which is okay. I'm actually kind of sad about this lip gloss, guys. The more I wear it, the more that smell is just like kind of irritating me. You know what I mean? And then I can feel the grittiness of the lip gloss. Anyway, I loved everything else in this BoxyLuxe. Sorry, I'm a bit low energy, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. Do you get BoxyLuxe? If you do, does everyone get the same thing? I don't really remember. And also, if you want to see how I got this hair, my video is already up for that. This hair was totally an accident, but I know today it looks kind of rough, so I just threw it back in a scrunchie. But that's my hair usually. Anyway, I gotta go shower, and then my son comes home, and I'm very excited about it. But I hope you guys are all having such an amazing day. Have an amazing Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. Be sure you enter all of my giveaways. I'll have them linked down below in the description for you guys. I will be ending those very soon, probably within a few days after Christmas ends, and then starting in January, I'll be able to actually ship them and stuff. And then be sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button, because I will be having a very big New Year's giveaway going on. Just because I love giving back to you guys. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.